Hello everyone! Today I'm going to do a DIY. I have a pot like this, and I also have a pot that I already have a plant in it. It's gonna be okay if I put it inside the pot. This pot I found in a secondhand store nearby, and this pot is actually not a pot. It's a glass made out of some kind of bamboo. And I bought it for my cactus, and my cactus does like this. If someone knows why my cactus moves around like this and what should I do about it, please tell me. I'm gonna use my Posca pans. I have 6 different colors here, and a little bit thicker and a little bit thinner pans. I was thinking that I'm not just gonna do some patterns on my pots, I'm also gonna create meaning to different patterns. I'm gonna use a shape like this. I recently became a fan of shape like this. And also shape the same with the other direction. It's a bit thicker like this. It's gonna be cute. What kind of shape do I want here? Something like this. To be surrounded by orange. So I was thinking if I'm gonna make same patterns on both of the pots, then they will kind of look like they're in the same series of things, and they will pass well together. This kind of shape. I want to have a little dot in there. And blue. Did I use blue there? Now I'm gonna write here next to all my shapes. I'm gonna write some kind of wish or dream I have about the future. So when I have it on my pots, I will kind of look at my pots later, and I will maybe remember my goals or my dreams, and it will make me a little bit happier. This one. So now when I have 5 different shapes, I am going to take my pot. Start with pot number 1 with this one, and I'm just gonna take some pen and I will mark with little dots. Like here I want some shape, here I want some shape, and maybe even want some shape here, there, and then there, and there. I will start with just this side for now. And now I'm just gonna look into my book. I'll start with this one, and then I will do this, and then I'll do this, and then I'll do this, and then I'll do this. So I'll do it easy for myself so I don't need to come up with stuff all the time. Maybe I will come up with new shapes as I go, but I can use that as my basic reference. That's my number 1 shape. Let's go next one. Next one was light pink shape. Now I have 2 shapes. Next one is the purple with orange shape. I'll put it here. My shape number 3 is done. And now next one is my circular shape. It will be here somewhere. That one became huge. That's okay. That's how it looks so far. Next one, I'll do it here. The purple one. So now I have my 5 shapes that I decided on in my book. Now I want to continue doing the same shapes, but in different colors. So I will take my shape number 1, which was actually this one, but I will do it now in blue color. And next one is my upwards shape, and I want to do it in very strong pink color. This is how it looks so far. And now I ran out of my dots, so I'll make new marks. meaning where I'm gonna have more shapes. There and there and there for now. Now I'm gonna try to variate a little bit. For example, sizes of my circles here. Before I had 3 circles of the same size, and now I have 3 circles of a little bit different sizes, or maybe even 4 circles. So I have a little bit of variation, and I want them to have also orange around them. So okay, now we have something like this. I'm gonna make circle. Not that big. It was very big last time, so I'm gonna make it a little bit like smaller this time. Now I'm just gonna look like which color I have least, and I think it's that light pink color. I have the least here, so I'm gonna use that one. So little pink. Next, I will make more dots. So I will have some shape here, and I will have some shape there and here. I am going to make that triangular shape with my pink pen. I want to surround it with blue. I think it's cool when the shapes, they kind of mean something. It's cool to give meaning to things. You know, like they say, if you write something down, you write your goals, you write your thoughts, they're gonna become true. Well, I'm very bad at writing. It's not really my biggest thing, but painting and drawing, that stuff I like. Therefore, it's much easier for me. Okay, now I did the triangular shape. Now I will come back again to my the bridge shape. I want to do it in orange then. And now I have those two dots left. Like a smile kind of thing. Makes me happy. And the last dot I have is going to be the 3 dots shape. And I want to make it very, very tiny. So I'm just looking around all around the colors. I don't want to have too much of the same color. I want to kind of have an even spread of it. So now I'm just gonna have a look at it, and I will add like tiny dots here and there where I feel like it's missing something. Tiny little things. Like this one seems to me like it needs some kind of surrounding also. And I'm gonna have like bloop 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 to it. And also I wanted to have some kind of something more to it, so I will have it contoured. I can say like that now. Traced. And I have this space here, and that space also feels like it wants something in there. I'll just have a little circle in there. Here, I feel like here I want also a little bit more funk to it. Where else? Here it looks like a face. Have you seen this? Like an eye and the mouth. I want to have more funk to this triangle also. Yes, I actually feel like I'm happy with this now. This is how it looks so far. I think I'm gonna keep it like that actually. I'm done with my big pot. I'm gonna do the same thing in my little poor guy here. I'll take again pen, and I will make dots to mark for myself where I want to have my patterns. And I do the same thing again. I'm going to draw first these 5 shapes, and then I will start to modify it. So I'll start with that one. Now I will make the upward shape. This one is barely visible. I kind of like that it's so subtle. Next I'm gonna do the 3 dots shape. I will do it somewhere here. This one was well visible now. Next I have my circle. And the last shape of my 5 shapes was the triangular shape. Now I'm going to do it somewhere here. That one became huge. compared to other guys. So now I will make some little dots for me to know where I'm gonna have next. And I will continue drawing using other colors now. Here, I'll go for this in the upward shape. I'll do it here. Line it with this very, very gentle pink color. I'll make a circle. So, hope my cactus will survive. My poor guy. I'm gonna do it actually upside down now, just for fun. Didn't do that before. Wow, look at this amazing weather today. Spring is coming. Birds are singing. Sun is shining. And this is our balcony. And this is the result. The little pot. So, and the big pot. I like the big pot even more. If you're wondering, what is this weird thing? It is some kind of tree. I think it's called asp in Swedish. And it flew into our apartment last year and spored itself in one of our plants. And now it's spring again and it starts growing leaves again. So, yeah.